Hi guys. Today, doing another request from stompysharpandpointy. Uh, he did request a rundown of my uh, EDC bag toolkit. Okay. So this is a Maxpedition fatty organizer. Okay. So first of all, got a bunch of paracord kind of woven into the straps on the back. You know, good for rigging stuff up, shelter, uh, what have you. Okay, so that's kind of hanging on with a something locked. If I think of the name of whatever this is, I'll put it in the video. Right now, I can't think of anything. Uh, so that's in the back. You know, quick access and plus it saves room in the bag. Uh, in the front, in the little pocket thing, is a poker cop tool. Um, you know, prying tool, a little hacksaw there, seatbelt cutter. You know, all around good tool. I'm pretty sure I can pry open a door with this. So there's that. First and foremost, quick access. Okay, and inside, pretty much taking up the whole uh, side that has a pocket in it, or a non-closable pocket, is my Leatherman Wave with big kit and bit extender on the side. So this in itself is a good kit. If I was going somewhere and I didn't necessarily need the bag, but I knew I would need more tool capability, I would just grab this and I would probably be good. Um, so there's that, you know. And also, one more thing in that pocket, earplugs. You know, loud noises. If something did happen, and there were a lot of sirens going off or loud explosions or what have you, uh, save your hearing. That it's a good idea. So that those are in there. On the other side, there's a mechanic's screwdriver just for precision uh, screw driving. There is screwdriver capability on the way, but for more precise tasks, I have this. We also have the Leatherman ES4 squirt. I meant to get the PS4 and accidentally clicked this for some reason. I had it in my non-work EDC and figured, you know, uh, there's really no need for that in there. Maybe if I get the PS4, I can add it to that. But for now, the ES4 is in the work toolkit. Makes sense to me anyway. Always need a backup to a backup knife. So here's the Gerber mini suspension. You know, frame lock. You know, good cutter. And in the little zipper pocket that's in the fatty organizer, I have my rig, stuff I can rig stuff up with in case I need to rig up some sort of emergency shelter or some sort of emergency rigging retrieval device or what have you. Okay, I can pretty much get it done with what I have in here. Okay, so I have a monkey's fist made by Quality Jackson, just to give some cordage a little bit more weight in case I need to throw it over a fence or a high door that has an opening on top of it, or a tree branch or what have you. Okay. Some mini bungees. You can rig up shelter with this, or a makeshift weapon, what have you. Also good for retrieval tools or retrieval devices. When you're chair-bound, you become really creative and resourceful with what you have. So this is why I have all sorts of things like that in here. Okay, nylon cordage, pretty much, good for anything. And I have a bunch of those little metal clasps and more bungee. Cool. More of those bungee cords. And you can get those bungee cords, guys, at the $5 bins in Target. So, and $5 for a pack of, I think was 10, maybe a little bit less than that. It's worth it. Okay, and some duct tape. Everyone knows what duct tape's for. And the ever popular EOD mini grappling hook from CountyCom. If you want to know the reason behind why I carry this, watch the video Why the Grappling Hook, Josh. True story, and I don't want that to happen again. Just go on my channel and look that video up. Okay, so that is the rundown of the Uncle Cow backpack EDC toolkit. The reason I don't carry this with me everywhere is it's too heavy, and like I said before, the backpack only goes with me when I won't necessarily have a immediate way out of a situation should something happen. Okay. Other than that, yeah, that's the EDC bag toolkit. Hope you enjoyed it. Next video should be a entry into Superfly Fat Guy 8599 contest. I gotta do a video for Paul, both for support and to if I can win stuff to add to my bug out bag, hey, that's cool too. Okay, or my EDC kit or whatever. That would be cool too. But I really want to support Paul. He's a really cool dude. So that video will be a little bit later. So stay tuned for that. Uh, until then, guys, if anyone has any requests, please PM me. If you want to help me out, uh, hit the PayPal button on the on my channel page. Uh, any amount is welcome. Trying to get new tires for the chair and other needs, and maybe something to help me out with my hobbies. You know. Uh, Other than that, guys, like I always say, be safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.